Hello and welcome. In this video, we will tackle a classic coding interview problem, finding the intersection point of two linked lists. This is a very common question that tests your understanding of pointers and memory management. Let's first understand what we are looking for. Imagine two separate linked lists, list A and list B. At some point, they might merge into a single path. This creates a Y-shaped structure. Our goal is to find the exact node where this merge happens, which is node C1 in this diagram. Before we look at solutions, there is a crucial detail to understand. Intersection is defined by reference, not by value. Two nodes might hold the same number, like 7, but if they live at different memory addresses, they are not the same node. We are looking for the exact same object in memory that both lists point to. The most intuitive way to solve this is the brute force approach. We pick the first node of list A and compare it against every single node in list B, then we pick the second node of list A and do the same. This works, but it is very slow. It has a time complexity of O of n times m, which is not efficient for large lists. We can trade space for speed using a hash set. First, we traverse list A and store every node reference in a set. Then, we traverse list B for each node in B. We check if it already exists in our set. The first match we find is our intersection. This is much faster, with O of n plus m time, but it uses extra memory to store the nodes. Can we do better? Yes. The two-pointer approach gives us the best of both worlds. It runs in linear time, O of n, and uses constant space, O of 1. We don't need to store any nodes. We just need two pointers and a clever trick. Here is the trick. List A and list B might have different lengths before the intersection. However, if you traverse list A and then immediately traverse list B, the total distance is the same as traversing list B, and then list A by switching lists. When we hit the end, we equalize the path lengths. Here is the algorithm. Initialize two pointers, one at head A and one at head B. Move them forward one step at a time. When a pointer reaches null, redirect it to the head of the other list. If there is an intersection, they will eventually meet at the same node. If there is no intersection, they will both hit null at the same time. Let's look at the code. We handle edge cases where either head is null. Then, we start our while loop. It continues as long as pointer A is not equal to pointer B inside the loop. We simply move to the next node or switch to the other head if we reach the end. Finally, we return either the intersection node or null. To recap, brute force is easy but slow. Using a hash set is fast but uses extra memory. The two-pointer technique is the optimal solution for interviews, providing the best efficiency in both time and space. I hope this explanation helps you master this problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.